how to make number blocks of explosion painting. You will need to print number blocks, and also you will need to cut number blocks, and you'll need one of these ones, and also you will have to go outside where it's impossible, where you could make splashes of painting everywhere if you can. You should paste all the number blocks in the canvas. You should fill these to the paint of you want to make the background. And remember, this will be messy. You use your mom card for plastic painting. Finish. Now you have to let it dry. Hi guys, now you should take out the number blocks from your canvas, and remember to use other type of paints, and don't forget your water. And also your brushes. But don't take out the brushes like this. Should be all like this. Now, if you already have the canvas and the number block with the number blocks dry, you just take out the number blocks, and then you should put it here, but try to don't mix it, okay? Finish? Now if it's dry, you should add the white part, means the eyes. Now you can put all the details of black, everything. Finish. Hey guys, if you finish, you could put it of decoration to your bedroom, or if you want to your tree house, and it's over. And remember to put in YouTube. Bye bye.